Hi everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. On this episode, we're diving into the word arrange, a fantastic A2 level verb that means to organize or put in order. It's a word that comes in handy when you're planning or setting things up, and I can't wait to share more about it with you. Let's start by breaking down the meaning of arrange. If you're someone who loves to keep things neat and tidy, you probably arrange things all the time. It could be about organizing furniture in a room, planning a meeting with friends, or even putting books in a particular order on a shelf. Essentially, to arrange is to bring structure or order to something. Now, let's talk about some synonyms for arrange. You might use words like organize, sort, or plan in similar situations. For example, instead of saying, I will arrange the chairs for the party, you could say, I will organize the chairs for the party. Or, instead of, she needs to arrange her schedule, you could say, she needs to plan her schedule. These words help convey the same idea with slight variations. On the flip side, let's look at some antonyms for arrange. Words like disorganize, scatter, or mess up come to mind. For instance, instead of arranging books neatly, you might scatter them across a table. Or, instead of arranging plans carefully, you might accidentally mess them up. How about some real-life examples of arrange? Picture yourself hosting a dinner party. You might arrange the plates, glasses, and silverware on the table so everything looks perfect. Or think about planning a trip. You'll need to arrange transportation, book accommodations, and plan activities. Another example could be in music, where a composer might arrange a piece to suit a specific orchestra or style. Here are a few sentences to see arrange in action. Could you help me arrange the flowers in the vase? The teacher asked the students to arrange the desks in a circle. I need to arrange a meeting with my boss for tomorrow. They arranged the photos in a beautiful collage on the wall. To sum up, arrange is a versatile word that helps us talk about organizing and putting things in order. Whether you're planning an event, tidying up, or preparing a schedule, this word has you covered. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed learning about arrange, make sure to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd also love to hear from you. Create your own sentence using arrange and share it in the comments. I'll see you next time on Hello Word.